This is going to be a video product review of the Mavogel Silk Heated Eye Mask for dry eyes. It is a warm compress for eyes. It's electric, quick heating. It's got an automatic timer. It has a couple different temperatures. I'm going to tell you why I use this, how I use this. This is a washable eye mask, adjustable strap on the back, so it will fit every size head imaginable. As I said, you can wash this. You can take this, it's waterproof, so you can wash this without worrying about damage. We have a plug over here, a USB plug, USB adapter that it comes with. We have 3 settings over here. We have an on-off switch. You plug it in over here, and let me tell you how I use this and why I use this. A couple days ago, I had a massive headache. Now, this is sold as something that you wear over your face, over your eyes, so that it will help you relax and nap. My headache was killing me, absolutely unbelievable. I plugged this into the wall, I plugged the cable in over here, I put this on over my eyes. Wonderful warmth around the eyes and the eye sockets. Within about 10 minutes, I was so relaxed, all I wanted to do was sleep. And the heat going around the eye socket, all the pressure, all the sinus pressure went away. That was 3 days ago. I'm still breathing perfectly through both nostrils now. This is wonderful. My headache was still there. The eye pain was gone, but the headache was still there. So I slid this up on the head a little bit and put this over the forehead, where I had a tension headache from working on the weights the night before. Lots of pressure in the face, lots of pressure in the neck. About 10 minutes with this, the tension in the forehead went away. So the eye pressure was gone, the forehead pressure was gone, but I still had a lot of tightness in the back of the head, at the base of the skull. So I turned this around on my head so that this was at the back of my head, and I let the heat penetrate my skull, and it was incredible. It was absolutely amazing. Within 30 minutes, all the head pressure, the eye pressure, the headache, it was all gone, and I drifted off to sleep, and I slept for about 30 minutes, half an hour, I don't know. I was out. When I put this thing on, every time I put it on, I just want to just crawl into the bed, and I go into this deep mode of relaxation, this wonderful feeling of calm and peace. So this is great. This is great for puffy eyes. It's great for me for sinuses. I have a deviated septum. I put this on. This goes right around the center of the eye socket. The warmth goes in there. It works the nasal area, right by the eyebrows, by the eye socket. It's not too hot. You have an adjustable control over here. You can see the 3 different settings. 3 lights come on, so you can change the temperature. You plug this in, it's very easy. Comes with the plug and the AC adapter. As I said, you can wash this, take this, put this in the sink, wash this, get it clean if you're worried about that. Plug the cable back in when everything's dry. Put this over your head. You will be calm, you will be relaxed. The pressure in your face should go away, the pressure in your forehead should go away, pressure in your neck. The neat thing about this is I used to use a water bag. The water bag is way too hot, and I'm worried about it leaking and the water running on my face and my eyes. I don't have to worry about that with this. Used to use a heating pad, a big heavy heating pad, very uncomfortable, lots of fibers getting in my eyes and on my face. With this, it's silk, it's smooth, it's comfortable, it's easy, it's compact, it's wonderful. It is made by Mavogel. I will leave an affiliate link in the video description. Click on that link. You can purchase this today. This is a wonderful product.